Chilling. Wait, give me a second. Oh, camera now.
You see, guys, let's subscribe. Let's subscribe on my new channel, guys. Thando, like, I lost my other channel, Thando. You are?
Like your original channel.
Yeah.
How?
No, like, I can't upload videos there, but like, that channel can't be monetized since I put like my things under my details and my age. So like, I'm underaged to get monetized. So like, I need to start a new channel now.
But if that happens, then you're gonna have to like use your parents' email.
I still like, I can't edit.
You can't edit what? Don't you use like CapCut or like YouTube? I mean, what's that in short?
No, like, ingxaki pha ku AdSense. Yebo. Ku AdSense.
So wait. Originally, did you use your ID number?
Yeah.
That's the
so like,
problem. Have done.
Yeah, cause I'm underage. Yeah.
You have to be 18 plus. And I don't know if you can like try to reapply, but Nami same thing when I was still young. I used my ID and I did not get like that account back. So as if you can still be monetized, or maybe you can text YouTube or email YouTube or something.
Nah, like I need to push this one now. This new channel. I don't have a choice.
So you started from like zero.
Yeah. Like you told me. Tell me like start.
But I guess you do and I do like YouTube videos only to get monetized, right? Monetized.
Yeah, and like on look. Like on December, like we need to cook something. Yeah.
Hello. And then it must cook a little something, Yana. Your girlfriend like is a thing, buddy. I'm not your girlfriend.
No.
Eh?
Yeah, like don't like let's respect her name.
Hey.
Where's Panda?
Nah.
Where's Panda?
He is at his house. So sizofana njengawe. Sizofana nje ocinga ba ndizawufana njengawe.
Ndingamu. Nditsho
Okay, now let's clear the air. Let's clear the air. Okay, how's like everything between you and your hand?
Oh, now like we cool now, yeah. I like sometimes like there's ups and downs. I like yeah, we cool.
Because of me or like in general your relationship?
No, like it's because of like bona abandu, yeah, but like they mention her and like they want her like to think that bana like this is a huge thing and like bon like.
Oh, so abantu basically abayenza ukuthi ngicabange.
Yeah. Bayamphusha bana abo achaphuke.
Oh. So nina ni right no too.
Yeah.
It's just the internet.
It's a grand man. Yeah.
All right. Guys, niyazwa mos. Ngicela niyekeleni ukungibuza mina ngoPeanut. Angisina ngoPeanut wenu nangula. That's why I'm live with him. Uyasho ukuthi une girlfriend yakhe ba right. So mina cela ningekeni bakwethu. Nami ngibiziwe. Like mina ayingezanga.
Ngoba
ngizoghost kaloku ukuthi ndizotesta i-loyalty yakho.
oh, I'll like let's leave ghost, yabo.
And focus on who?
We can't like talk too much. You know, we can't talk. On yourself and myself, I will.
Hayibo Peanut. I-girlfriend yakho iyazi ukuthi nje si-live sethu or izothola nje ekuseni ukuthi hey laba nje beba-live bethu.
We are live just to clear air, bana guys. I see Joel no time because like there's comments where people are saying, bana, are we dating?
Exactly.
Or like when I bump into my face, like the other man, are we dating? But like, nah, guys, we're not dating, guys. We're not dating, guys. Thando. Thando.
Chat, is it my network or is it Peanut's network?
Thando.
Yeah.
Are we dating?
No. Oh, it's his network.
Maybe it's not.
Peanuts is using rain. Peanuts is using rain. It's so crazy. Okay, but guys, the only reason why I joined Peanuts' live is to show you guys that, like, man, there's no need to make our partners fight or us fight with our partners. Basically, that's what I'm saying. We're cool with each other. He's basically my younger brother. So, like, we cool with each other, bro, you know? And we've only met once, right? Just like how this nigga should respect Upanda, you know? Because we are both.
I do.
I know you do. I really know you do. But like, to clear the air, like nothing is going on. Alright?
Yeah.
We've only we've only talked on that day where we met. Like it was never about it was okay. Peanuts uhlala phi? Do you live this side or uhlala le? Eish. No wonder.
PE, yeah, PE.
So like
Mara so on December coming. Huh?
what do you come to do this side? Like uba nongapha, like from your family? Where bandla Peanut?
Oh, like my aunt, like my sister. No, like we can't tell the location. Where do you live in? Where do you live?
Near Goro City.
She's lying.
What do you mean I'm lying? And
You know, Bana,
would you know?
you can't tell your location.
That's why I need to near Goro City because
like,
Goro City.
I dropped you off, like, I know where you're going.
No, ma won't drop her off.
Isha.
Even though it was an Uber. Ma won't drop her off.
Network, yeah.
Ow. Go
No,
sit
like,
next to
I
the
dropped you off.
Wi-Fi.
No, I will.
You dropped who off?
Yeah.
I was a joke, right?
I can't drive an automatic car. Can you drive?
Yes. Yo, le Wi-Fi ka Peanuts is on dinner. Guys,
You can't drive.
because I don't know if it's mine or his. That's the problem. Like, I don't know if it's my side or his side. People, is it my side or his side?
Thando ibo.
Uthemile njengamanje kodwa ngiyakuzwa. Okay, now you are back.
Oh. Thando,
Usebenzisa ini? Are you using Wi-Fi or
can you
like?
hear me? Or like is my network is bad?
It's bad. Ungizwa after 5 years vele.
So. Data.
Yo.
Or his.
Nangu umuntu ngizwa after 5 years.
Not hers, his. So sethu.
Wait. Ay. Backwards, please. I only joined Penis's live damn man. We are both in relationships. And it's like it was content, guys. Okay? Now we are back to our normal lives and stuff. Alright? And I don't like the fact that you guys ask me about Peanut, like I don't know uyini kim. You know? So like please don't ask me about that nigga. Une-girlfriend yakhe u-Akhaya amthanda kanjani? Umthanda kakhulu kanjani? Kakhulu kanjani? So like don't involve me in it. All right.
Know what happened, guys. Yo. Let me invite her again. Thando. Yeah, come back. Yeah, I'm now. Thando, if you are watching, come back. Yeah, sure. Ah, Thando.
Say poison.
Thando. How can I remove?
Oh, so I'm guessing it's different on your side.
Yeah. Like we cool now. Like it's better now.
Vele ngiyabathanda engizoyenza ngaleyo ndaba lutho nawe bathanda uhlulwa yini ukubathanda nawe self abafana uthi wangabathandi bazongijwayela bathanda uhlulwa yini hayibo sure anywho listen Akhaya ukuthi ngiyaxolisa myself public apology even though I was not in the wrong because I'm jolly now. But public apology. Ukuthi like ask his fault indoda yakho girl.
Guys, screen record and post, guys.
Hayibo.
Thando is apologizing. I can't get to see this.
Guys, mina uPeanuts angekantshele ne kodwa singitsheleni. Lo surely nami seniyabona ukuthi surely nje ngicrush yomuntu angisho lutho kodwa nje ngiyasho ukuthi maybe like, hey man, there's a lot of signs.
As a channel like
Kuruma
right now you are making up things.
Okay, Peanuts. We both know the truth, but if you want to play it like that, that's okay. I mean, I think everybody can testify. I think everybody here can testify with man.
Also, okay, so like you think I have a crush on you.
Oh, no, I don't think I know.
You know,
And you're not gonna tell me because ish ikwababu yantola. Hey,
Minuka Baba.
Kodwa yo baby kwababa yakhona usho ukuthini? Bongathi uzozichamela.
No, I don't have a Baba.
Unani?
It's just that I don't have a crush on you. Like, I will.
Uyasho.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you these questions then, Peanuts. And I hope that you're gonna have answers. You know? I hope you're gonna have answers. You know? Because number one, as cool 9,000 people. What the fuck, bro? Hey, South Africa, nayithanda drama.
Sure.
Yo, South Africa.
Questions.
Oh, questions. Okay. Number one. Why did you ask for my number?
Oh, because like I'm a huge fan. So like, yeah.
Okay, fan. Okay. Number two. Why did you kiss my hand?
Why did I kiss? Okay, why did you touch me? Like why did you seduce me?
No. Don't do that. You know why. And I'm not gonna say it in front of all of these people because we both know why.
And you know why I kissed your hand. You know.
No, I don't know. I don't know because that was like unexpected.
Okay, so like you guys.
Okay. Uteni, what did you say?
I don't know why.
Oh, so you don't know why. Okay, now I have a quick. This one will get you. All right. Now, when you asked for a hug, and I gave you that hug, why were you blushing behind my back?
Because like I couldn't believe Thando is hugging me from the neck still. From the neck. You see, guys, Thando has a crush on me.
I hope that answers your questions, Bahlali. I hope you guys are not as dumb. You know? So like, I hope that answers your questions, all right? I hope you guys see what I see. Or maybe I'm delusional, I don't know. But I hope you guys see what I see.
What I see is that Thando is blushing right now. You are blushing right now. Like every time when you're next to me, or like when you talk with me, like you always blush. Like I feel like you are the one that has a crush on me.
Listen,
Cause the fact that
no, Mina, I've always known you as like a nigga that has got motion in such a short period of time, right? So that's when you started popping up on my FIP. So when I met you, I really knew who you were. And it's like, okay, Peanuts is pretty big and I'm big too. So like, why should I act mean to you? Because it's not like ni celebrity way or any influencer way or any, because you're basically on the same level, man. Never mind the 2 million followers and shit. And 800, 900K now. Do you understand? Ukuthi ukhula kanjani mfana?
clock that T, guys. Clock that T, guys. You see, like guys, like when Thando is around Panda, she doesn't laugh like this, guys.
No.
Like please notice, like guys, like guys,
What
please
about
notice,
you?
guys.
You have never told your hand that you feel safe around her.
Nah, I did.
Oh, From her mouth, though, from her words, apparently, allegedly,
Thando, don't do this. Yo,
allegedly, kuthiwa, wena, awukazi, wathi,
Thando, like
Thando, please don't
when
leave
yeah,
me. Thando, I
like
feel safe around you. Sure, Panda. Uyatelela wena Peanut. That's when I
guys, do you see what I'm saying, guys? And
No, because I take it like, bro, I take you like, now that I've met you, I honestly take you as my brother.
yeah, and I take it
I
as
think
my
you should
sister.
take you as your sister.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
So like, going otherwise. Kodwa wena ngiyabona ukuthi no, khona i-agenda oyiphushayo, kodwa ngeke ngisho. But like I see you as my younger brother.
And I see
Ubuye
it as my December.
so it's so shushumisi internet food, and I hope uzotshela girlfriend yakho ke this time.
Yeah.
Ngoba mina bangibiza ngesithuba malapha kusho ukuthi ngiphula imizi yabantu. Mina bangibiza ngesifebe. Mina
Not
bangibiza
mine. So like when you are proud of that.
proud of what? I'm not proud of
Why
it
not?
because I did not tuba
Everyone
anyone's
gets fed.
lapa. I did not break your household. So like I am not proud of that because how are they calling me that and I did not do anything?
Thando, like I've never been known what is it? Gold Reef City, and I wish like I could go there.
I'll take you there. I don't mind. Tell me when you pull up. You've never been there. Oh wow,
Yeah,
you're gonna
I've
have a
never been
nice
there.
time. You're gonna have a nice time. Listen, when you come this side, text me because you have my number since you asked for it. But text me, and then when you're at this side, I'll probably buy you a ticket, or you're gonna buy yourself. I don't give a shit. Whatever you do, and then we'll go.
We will go.
We'll go.
Sure.
But I don't know if you wanna bring your girlfriend so that she doesn't feel otherwise.
The thing is, like, I don't know if she will be able to come with.
So yena ungale Eastern Cape. Ulap.
Yeah. No, like PE, Port Elizabeth.
Okay,
Yeah.
and you guys probably won't come together this side, right?
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
We'll go. If you wanna go, we'll go.
Yeah.
Kodwa mina umuntu amuzuza again.
So like who's third wheeling go?
It's not about third wheeling. It's about showing you Goro City.
Okay.
It's about that.
Yeah.
I ain't sifungwa zikolo fwena. Awuna ndaba nokuthi ini exactly. We will show you Goro City. But maka, kodwa angeke ubambe ikerese nawe ke. Awuna maybe like a cousin this side or a friend this side or someone you can come with because
I don't know. Yo, 12K.
I need to live with Thando. Scat.
No, me too when you laugh with peanuts.
No. The numbers don't lie. Listen. Yini manje kuyabanda endlini?
Yo, yabani him, yo.
Anahita.
No, like at night, like we can't switch on the heater.
Ngoba uzoshisa indlu ne?
Yeah.
Oh, uyavuma ukuthi uzoshisa indlu vele?
No, like the thing is like I don't know, like young.
What have you been to Mall of Africa?
Yeah, like if you watch my video with Ghost, yeah, you'll see that was my first time being there.
have you done go-karting before? Uyayazi nje go-karting, Peanuts.
I do like those. You wear those big helmets. They like you try car.
Okay, so like most of December, how long are you gonna stay that side?
Maybe like until January. I don't know.
So till the schools open, basically.
Yeah.
So we will have
1 million likes. Yo. 1 million likes each.
first time you told Aputi a million. Is this your first time getting a million
Third
likes?
time. Nah, third time now.
Oh wow! Oh my gosh! I forgot you were a newcomer. But no cap though, you are doing so good. Like no cap. I don't think anybody has grown as fast as you have. No, not even me. Like I feel like you have motion, and you've gained a lot of followers in a short period. Late 2022. I'm on 2
Yeah.
So now
You're doing the
imagine
most,
you
yeah.
in 3 years. Imagine you in 3 years. You're probably gonna be yo. So I'm proud of you because you are young, number one. So I started popping at your age. So you're gonna do a lot of things. You're gonna achieve a lot of things. So what you should try focusing on is growing your Instagram. You should
And
try focusing more money and more brand deals. Right? Because Instagram, it's TikTok, I find
yeah.
Instagram, it is very, very hard to gain followers. Trust me, it is very hard than TikTok, whereby your video can pop up on someone's FYP randomly and then you blow up just like that.
Yeah.
Instagram, you're gonna have to like work for it, you know? So try focusing on your Instagram.
Yeah, but I'm
TikTok.
trying.
Yeah, try because on your TikTok you're already doing good. Right? And then on your
But now
subscribers do you have?
I have 112 subscribers, but like now I have to restart. Look. You see now? Guys, look. You subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Let's get to 2K, guys.
Subscribe. Let's go to Peanuts' channel while we are on this live and get him to 2,000 subs. 2,000
W
subs.
Thando's in the chat.
W
Mr.
Tanner.
Peanuts.
Go to when Mr. Peanuts.
W Thando in the chat.
Mr. Peanuts. Let's get him to 2K subscribers in this live because there's 11,000 people here. So you cannot tell me that 5,000 people,
Yeah.
500 people cannot go there and subscribe. Really? Really?
Yeah.
So
W. So like that's what happened to you.
No, not myself. That's what would have happened to me because I lost my phone, right? I lost my 14 Pro Max, and
Yeah. You almost lost this phone.
how, Peanuts?
So like what happened is that when I was dropping you
And Ghost Ruby had put a stop for me and Peanuts. So it started by me and then it went to Peanuts' house. So it was not Peanuts' car. The fuck?
I like yeah, you almost lost this phone. Like stop being careless, Thando. Like you grown for this. Like stop being careless.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Qiniso phela, yabo. Ane?
Hi, bro.
Qiniso ne. So like truth is qiniso in Zulu ne. Qiniso. Ane? Yeah, qiniso.
Yini nina inyani ne?
Yeah, nyani. Inkosi. Yo, Thando, look. Yo.
Clark it.
Subscribe, guys. Let's get to
Okay, no.
10K subscribers.
Keep it like that. Keep it like that. I want to see actually.
Yeah.
Guys, please let's say I'm giving you guys 4 minutes to subscribe. Get Peanuts to 2,000 subscribers.
10K, Mara. How? 10K,
Fast.
Thando.
You are asking for a lot. One step at a time.
Don't say that. Okay. 2K.
So 11:30. Go to YouTube, search Mr. Peanuts, and then get him to 2K subscribers.
Okay. Time, money.
Okay.
Time, yeah.
So,
Time, yeah.
Yeah. So 11:30. So you guys have 3 minutes now.
Yeah.
3 minutes now.
Yo. Thando has motion. W Thando in the chat.
DMing, guys. I'll be famous. DMing, utlang. Listen. I can get you clouds.
Yo.
I can give you clouds, guys. Listen. Hit me up.
Nah.
The next Peanuts. Hit me up. Even though Peanuts did not blow up because but like, if you wanna be the next Peanuts, hit me up. Don't worry about it.
Or if you are starting from over, hit Thando up. Text Thando. Yeah. Now with the tricky now. Roll to tricky.
You definitely got it now. You definitely got it.
Tricky.
In a minute, bro. In a minute.
Nah.
Assistant, congratulations.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for Peanuts.
Yeah.
You know.
Tricky now. Yo. We're pushing tricky.
When I say 3K, I feel like you guys can do 3K, no cap. Let's do 3K, guys. Let's do 3K. I know that you guys can do it. I know you can. I never doubt you guys. Ever. I know you can.
Never.
Listen. And I know you guys love your boy Peanuts. So show the support, most. How?
Yeah.
Show the support.
Do you love me though?
Nyambon, uyaqala ngamasimba akhe. Nyambon. Bese ngizothi hey uthando isithuba malapho uthando wenze so naso. Nyambon.
Please.
Hi Peanuts. Hi. Uthanda inkulumo.
Yo. 3K.
Search Mr. Peanuts on YouTube, guys. Mr. Peanuts on YouTube.
And congratulations on your 100K subscribers, Thando.
Thank you.
So like when are you going to get the plaque?
I don't know, because Opanda it can take like South Africans, it can take like 2 months to a year. So Anna's.
So you are waiting for their email.
I'm waiting for them to deliver it because they did send me the email to like fill in my address and whatsoever. So I'm waiting for them.
But at least I will get my plaque too, at least.
You will.
Yeah.
Are you talking like about this channel or your old one?
My old one, yeah.
Yeah, you definitely will.
Tricky, guys, tricky. You are Thando, nah. And like maybe we should also bring our plaque when we go to Gold Reef City.
No problem.
Ne?
No problem, but it will have to be a Saturday so that I can ask my to borrow her car. Then we can vlog nicely. I don't want to be going into Ubers and out of Ubers and whatsoever. So you're gonna borrow the car and then we'll just go.
So yeah, so like you can drive.
Perfectly so.
If you can't, I can teach you.
Please, do you have a license or learner's license at least?
In this generation, like we don't need license.
Okay, but like you are speaking to a licensed driver, you know? I do have a license. Okay, learner's license. But it is a license. So you are speaking to a licensed driver. So you cannot teach a licensed driver how to drive, you know?
Well, if that's the case, and then like we can do a lot when I'm there. Maybe like you can also take me to, like you can also help me to get my license.
Hey bro, i-license kumele uyifundele ndoda.
The thing is like, I'm so lazy to get my own license.
Awungawari kodwa sise-South Africa. Just find a department that takes ijojo mfana. Bribe.
Yeah.
Ngoba sise-South Africa. Trust me, you're gonna just, I don't know if you have those connections. I don't know any places though. But if you do have those connections, try asking around. You're probably gonna pay like 1.5, 2,000 maybe.
Yeah.
So sise-South Africa la.
We almost there, guys.
License 3,000. License straight.
Yeah.
I'm sure people do know. Like, don't like comment, like chat. Guys, I think I should start streaming. Would you guys watch my streams if I like start streaming?
The thing is, like streaming in South Africa, like it's not peaking.
Yeah, like I would take over, bro. Mina, I would bring all of your guys' favorites, your guys' favorite influencers, celebrities. Hey, I'm gonna be the South African Kaisenet, bro. Honestly, I'm gonna be the South African Kaisenet.
Yeah.
Bring everyone to my stream.
Yeah.
So you guys think you're gonna watch though? Like, if you guys gonna watch, then I can like pull some strings here and there, get the equipment fast, quick, in a hurry, and then start going, you know, into business and shit.
Yes or no, guys? Would you watch Thando streaming? Yes or no? Let's see. Yes or no, guys? Okay.
Yes.
That
You watch it. If you need to clock that ticket.
Rakai.
I knew that there's no way a nigga would do that without a hand in his life. Like, you wouldn't know that as a nigga. But clock that tea.
No, not clock it. Clock that tea. Rakai.
Same shit, different toilets, bruv.
Oh.
Clock that tea. And originally, it's clock it. You know? Originally, it's clock it. But akhaya ukufundisa ezinye kodwa sizoyithatha ngoba ungijida. But originally it's clock it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, we understand.
Yeah.
Peanut, can you speak Sotho?
Oh, so like you Sotho, not Zulu.
I'm Zulu, so I can speak both Zulu and Sotho. But you do know how to speak Zulu, or you do understand it. So I'm trying to do like a language barrier thing where I speak Xhosa and then you're gonna speak another language, which is Sotho.
Yeah.
So yes,
Yeah.
outside.
No, I don't. Understand.
All right. So manje like. Yes, guys.
Isuthu
Zulu,
yabuwa ane yabuwa.
Yeah, wabuwa kaSotho, wabuwa.
Wabuwa.
And then mina ndiyathetha andithi. nandiyathetha.
Yeah, Xhosa, yeah, Xhosa,
Yeah. So kusukela ngoku sizawuthetha, wena uzawuthetha isiSuthu, mna ndizawuthetha isiXhosa.
Kanjani? Buwa kanjani? Wabuwa kanjani?
I was
Peanuts is not listening.
awazi next yesuthu uwazi ukubuwa nje kuphela.
Yeah, wabuwa, yeah.
Hey. So it was ukhuluma ama-language angaki Peanut?
2. English and Xhosa.
Ow.
Okay.
So like, do you understand like Sepedi or Sotho? Like, do you understand it?
I don't think you understand, but like last month it was my this month it was my first time being at Joburg.
Really?
Like I spent my whole life here in PE. So like,
oh man, then you need to see a lot of things in Joburg, okay?
So like when I come back, you must show me around.
If you get the approval from your girlfriend, then I will show you. But if your girlfriend doesn't approve it, then I'm sorry, but I cannot do anything.
Okay, yeah, sure.
So text your girlfriend, tell your girlfriend, oh, baby, manya at Joburg. I would like Thando to show me a Gover City or to go karting with Thando because you are not gonna be there or whatsoever. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So uzomcela Peanut, angifuni ukuthiwa hey Thando wenze sona so hey akhaya sona so
Themba mina. Themba mina.
Oh ngikuthembe. Hey
Yeah.
akhaya girl. Yabona indoda yakho ithi ngiyithembe.
I think she's offline. Or like
Also uyazi ukuthi akabukanga le live.
I don't know if like only blocked or like she's offline. I'm not sure.
Bashimane. Wait, what's about bashimane king?
Boys. Ane? Yeah. Xhosa amakwekwe. Abafana, yeah.
No, abafana asama winkwenkwe wena. Akusinkwenkwe ngesixhosa and then abafana is Zulu.
Don't like Joe. Ane? Repeat after me. Peanuts. Uyindoda yami wena.
Aish. Ndiyabona bakwethu angenzanga lutho mina. So please stop coming to my comment section and ask me about this nigga and be like, I'm the one that tubered their relationship. I'm the one that broke their relationship. Meanwhile, okay.
Jokes, I'm just joking.
It's just jokes or not. Kodwa mina angenzanga lutho bakwethu. You guys are attacking
Any intro I'm like my intro goes like funny Peanuts. So started Peanuts. Jokes. Everything that I say is just jokes.
Oh, ufuna ndithathe Peanuts mna.
Funny Peanuts?
Ndiyazifuna Peanuts.
Jokes.
Guys, listen. Okay, I feel like we are joking too much. Like it's to the point where we are forgetting that we are both taken. But guys, guys, we are just probably like comfortable around each other. You know,
Yeah,
we have
and
that
like I'm
brother and
happy that
sister
like
relationship and stuff.
yeah, like I'm
You
happy
know,
that you are comfortable around me. You know what I'm saying?
ungayenzi sound kanjalo nawe ke.
Oh,
Yeah,
ish.
yeah,
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
yeah. So guys,
Needs, yeah.
hey, let's see the subs. How many subs you on? We even forgot about the subs.
Yeah, subs, ish. I've gotten
They are born.
3K guys, 3K guys.
Okay, so 495 more people. Please go search on YouTube, Mr. Peanut, and let's
Mr.
get this
Peanuts.
nigga to 3,000
No,
subscribers.
don't say that word on live. Don't say that word on live.
What, nigga?
No, Thando,
Nigga,
TikTok is
nigga,
strict right
nigga,
now.
what the fuck? I'm a black ass person. You not white too, so why shouldn't we say it? Nigga.
You, ish.
Orumhlophe. Ooh,
Nah.
exactly.
Let's get to 3K guys. 3K subs.
3,000 subscribers. Mr.
Let's
Peanut
go, let's
on
go, let's go.
YouTube. Let's get him. Okay, we have 4 minutes. I'm giving you guys till 45. 23:45.
Ah,
23:45.
then
Let's
two,
get this
then two.
nigga to like 3K.
Balele.
Uban.
Wabalelang.
Abazali bakho.
No, like people. Okay. Yeah, it's going up now. It's going up. 3K guys, 3K.
Mr. Peanut on YouTube.
Tano, Bafana is going to World Cup next year. Do you support soccer?
Nigga, never mind whether I watch soccer or not, or I like soccer or not. Did you see those tickets? Did you see how much the tickets are? There's
No,
a
like
fucking ticket for 4 million rand, nigga.
4 million rand.
4 million, and the least I've seen is probably like 100,000 rand.
You.
I nanoma bangathi ngi-rich kangakanani emhlabeni for itikiti
Angeke.
lokubukela ibhola ngingalibukela e-TV ngizolibukela
Nechewani.
angeke
Angeke.
Guys, 3K subscribers, please. Let's go to 3,000. When is it 3 though? Why are you guys saying 3K? Why are you guys saying 3?
So like we should say 3,000 subscribers.
Oh,
not
they
3K.
probably they probably mocking you. Peanut, hey, guys, you get peanuts. Not like everybody's first language is English, okay? Peanuts upuma
Tano, right now, like you are hurting me. Like
No,
you
okay,
should
but
say
truth be told, hey?
that.
As a sister, you're not very fluent, but
Yeah.
same
Maybe
as
like
me.
we should make a video of like where you teaching me like some real English. Yeah.
Hello, your girlfriend is very fluent in English, so why don't you ask her to teach you?
Because like she like yeah na utebana. She loves my English.
Una manga. Guys, please go on YouTube, search Mr. Peanuts. Let's get him to 3K. You gotta go to 3 now, we manage.
Okay. 3,000.
3.
Oh. 3.
3.
3.
Yeah, 3.
3K.
Yes.
3,000 subscribers. Oh.
Exactly. It is. Clock it.
Yeah. Clock that.
Clock it.
Yeah.
3K guys, 3K subs. Arinyaki,
2 minutes, guys.
for stang. Fane fa unyaki. I never could do hotas bunses out to such chocolate. I never. If unyaka go first, but wena. If you want to, you will. But I go force. I can taba le wena batho mona no re ke na le
Can you
taba ka
please
subscribe
translate that?
one. Ka
Translate
subscribe
please.
one fela. Subscribe one. Sa tlo ntjela tlo tjisa masepa wena. Bathong. Hey wena, ucabanga ukuthi ubani? Ayibo, maybe
Oh, so
go
like
Kim Kardashian or Elon Musk or umuntu make sense. You are nobody. So I don't give a shit.
so like you are cashing out right now.
Yeah, bathanda
So
ukungijwayela amasembu.
so that's how Sutu hands crash out.
What?
That's how Sutu hands crash out.
Ngumzulu mina Peanuts.
Oh, Mzulu.
Ngumngcobo mina umapholoba. Amashiya amahle ngathi azofezeka. Ubani ufuze. Uyangithola? Ngumzulu mina. It's just that my parents know how to speak Sotho and they speak it fluently. So like as you grow, if it's a language that they speak a lot, as a kid you obviously
So like Tana, like do you want to get married?
how sesifike nini lapho Peanut?
No, like or like yes or no. It's simple yes or no.
Wena you're not Angela Masimba kanyoko ke.
Hayi,
Masimba.
Tano na.
No Peanut uthe Masimba. So nami ngiyamthuka back ngoba nguthando or ngoba ngiyi-public figure doesn't mean ukuthi abantu kumele bangijwayele umsunu uzwa la wena Angela umsunu wakho nefamily yakho yonke.
Hi guy. Tano.
99 masendeka babakho lawa approach umsunu womntwana.
Masendeka babakho hayibo.
Like I don't understand bullies, bro. Like what the fuck? What does it take for you to be kind? It's literally free to be kind. Why should you be an asshole? Why should you be an asshole?
Hisumoy.
The fuck?
Hisumoy.
Fuck you and your whole family. Your ancestors even.
Okay, I see the problem. I need to teach you some discipline.
Shut the fuck up. Who are you teaching some discipline, nigga?
You are not disciplined.
In the game way more than your dumbass.
Tano yo, Tano yo.
Okay, excuse you guys. Ask inkohli ukuthi akusi live yami le. Kodwa if we live yami bengiyonthukane wonke laba bangithukane. And actually, like guys, if I respond in like a bad manner, just know that I'm speaking to one specific person, not all of you guys. I see a comment and then I respond to it. Not all of you know. Kodwa mangangijwayela umsunu.
Yo.
Ngizokuthuka nawe. If uyakuthuka ngizokuthuka nawe ukuthi uthando hehe uyaziwa okuthando wenzani ini anginandaba ngithuke nami ngizokuthuka.
Guys like please let's respect Thando, please guys.
Yes, respect me and I respect you guys.
Funny
thing is you know me, I don't know you.
Thando.
So you have to respect me because I don't know you enough to respect you.
Yeah.
So now imagine hitting on a stranger on the internet. It really doesn't take much to be kind. Like, why the fuck should you be an asshole? You know, like is everything okay at home though? Like, why are you hating on somebody you don't know or somebody that hasn't done anything to you? You know, like, haters, as they hate you, but they still watch you. They hate you, but they still watch you. That is like,
guys, let's respect Thando, please, guys. Like,
ibilo guy wena mushebeng ngenza moderator lapho ngithi kumphini bazomhleka bambone ukuthi ngathi yinja physically even not ngaphakathi uphi yena uphi ubuhlali wakhona yekelana ukucomment for a few seconds ngithi ukuhlambalazo lobuhlali wakhona ngizonhla yabona nina bullies ngizonikhipha one by one.
Yes, and they are judging my English.
I shame when I like.
I
yabona abaphuma e-KZN abaphuma e-Eastern Cape awu isiXhosa nesiZulu awu eish.
Oh, so like we can't speak
No,
English.
angisho kanjalo, but like mostly people that are from I'm not gonna say the villages, but abantu amakaya are villages in English. So I'm just gonna say abantu abasemakaya, they don't speak English fluently because that's not their first language, you know. So I'm guessing like at school, you guys, your first language is probably Xhosa, right?
I don't know.
Or you guys do English? Do you guys do English?
We do English, yeah, but I'm not sure which one is my first language.
Uthini lo? Thando, you gained 3K followers over Peanuts' live, so respect. Oh please, man. Peanuts had 2K views when I joined his live. So please, man, list your facts right. Alright?
That we turn in the chat.
Right. Not on 3K followers. I have 2.1 million followers, my babe. 3,000 le ongakwazi ukuyithola wena 3,000 le wena ongakwazi ukuyithola, please.
3,000 subscribers. Thando.
Oh, we even forgot about that, guys. Please go to Mr. Peanuts' live, YouTube channel, and subscribe. He's almost at 3,000. Like when he showed me his subs, he was at 1.5. Then I see go and I go blela hore ke phasitse ha monate jwang wena ha ka blela hore I was invited for an academics tour next year. You'd be shocked. Be shocked. Oh my gosh, find something else, my baby. Asibe ngobuhle perhaps.
Did Thando just say like
achievements? Asilwe ngama achievements or asilwe ngebody or something. Ungabi nje ngomlomo nje. Please.
Nah. You mustn't fight, ne? Please.
Don't disrespect me like that, sir. I'm not a beauty with no brains. Please put some name on my respect. Don't judge a book by its cover because in your papa we internet with papa and even life. No, girl. You guys know what I want you to know. What I put out. That's what you guys will know. So please. And I don't even want to show my reports so that I prove a point because it doesn't really matter. And I don't owe anyone anything. But like, please. The ones that saw my term 1 report are going to testify. You know?
Yeah, so like,
you saw it, man.
You clever, man. Yeah. How clever.
Listen, it's fun. Problem is now I did not write my consumer's test, and now it's making my report look ugly because I missed that test.
Last time.
And now it's like 70 up, and consumers is the only one that's down because I did not write it. It's messing up my report, and I only like like I thought I was writing tomorrow. Kanti, it's today, and it was second session, which is 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. So I did not know. Now I missed that test, and now my report is looking ass because of that one subject. But it's okay. As long as I passed all my other subjects. It's just consumers because I didn't write it. If I did, though, straight up 70s upwards, you know.
Nah, like you're clever. Yeah, we saw. We also, but no town is clever. Yeah.
Look at the likes, 2.5 million. Oh wow.
Record.
Guys, 3K. We are almost at 3K subscribers so that Peanuts can show his face. And then saying Katele Majubugana Namanam. That's it goes. I go ghost Lana. When a TikTok community guidelines, just born good in you are so insecure to the point where you cannot even use your real name. When I get John about outing your 30 school or sis, alright, outing it boots. Degree. And angifuni i-diploma
Tricky, yeah, tricky, guys,
PhD or
tricky.
iphe yakho i-diploma. I mean
Almost there,
i-masters.
guys. Tricky, tricky, tricky.
Awuthule wena 3K. Angithi wena ukwazi ukukhuluma ngesikolo. Iphe yakho i-masters degree. Where are your properties? Where's your husband or your wife? Where are your cars? Where are whatever? Angithi wena umdala wena sowucedile isikolo. Angithi awuthi ungibonisa usebenzaphi? Awusisibone isalary. Awuthi sibone into ecacile. Ungazongitshela ngo-matric nje kuphela. Matric akwenzeli lutho empilweni. Uzotholela umsebenzi as i-cashier or i-waitress or i-waiter or i-cleaner or in-excel. Awuthi ukuveza izinto nje ezithi ukucaca nje. Ngisevasithi musa ukuphapha so awuna-next okwamanje. Usadependa kwi-NSFAS. Thina-ke this side sana siyazibhatalela sizenzela imali yethu thina-ke this side, alright? Kodwa ungawari ngizokulinda. Ufuna ukubona ukuthi uzoya how far ngoba unenhliziyo enje. Ufuna ukubona ukuthi uzoya how far ngempilo wena. I hope uNkulunkulu ablock yonke into yakho ngoba umsuni womuntu. You don't have any kindness in you. Like, how you gonna hate on a person you've never met or a person that has never done anything at you? Like, what the fuck? Or to you? How you gonna hate on that person? Or ngoba ngimuhle askis angeke sibe muhle like sonke emhlabeni but ngeke sipake sonke, you know, ngeke sonke sikwazi turn our rooms into our dream rooms, you know. Ngeke sonke sikwazi ukuba ama-influencer, ngeke sonke sikwazi ukwenza imali at a young age, ngeke sonke sikwazi ukuhola your monthly salary in a day, you know. Ngeke so please wena community guidelines asikhulume nje ayami, asikhulume, talk and let's talk together. Guys, I'm talking to one person, Please don't get offended. I'm not talking to everyone. TikTok community guidelines specifically. Username yakhe iyo leyo. So ngifuna ukubona angitheni ungitshela ukuthi ngiyoqeda isikolo. It's fine. Angitheni usiqedile. Asibone degree, asibone ama property, asibone umfazi, asibone bank balance, asibone yonke into. Angitheni uqedile ngesikole. Yena ucabanga ukuthi uNcesta. Yena ucabanga ukuthi sekaphumelelile ngempilo. Uthini lo? Uthini lo? Uyabona bayangicala peanuts. Khona umsuni oceda ukuthi uthi inkosi. Yo, akungenzi moderator. Ngifuna ukuphina labantu labo ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi abantu abanjani abakhomentayo. You can never find a confident or a pretty person hating on another pretty person or a confident person. Ilaba babi ongatha Jacob was left toe. Ngathi nje umbonds owaku left. Laba, you can never find that, bro. It's those people that have insecurities about themselves that try to project them on other people. You know? So like, damn. Ukhanyi the dancer uthini?
Yo.
Askisi tu wena peanuts surely too much for you, ne? Surely awujwayela ngumuntu othukana kanje. Askisi kodwa mina ngijwayele le game mfethu abantu bazokujwayela msunu. Bazokujwayela
since 2022.
Nah, exactly. People know that I have no filter and I don't give a shit ukuthi ubani uthini ngobani isikhathi. I really don't care. Like, if uyangithuka nami ngizokuthuka ukuthi nami ngizokuthuka ukuthi uThando una 2 million followers or uThando uyi-public figure or uThando uyaziwa. I don't give a shit.
When you don't see these people are playing with you like.
And then nami ngidlala nabo. Nami ngiyadlala. Asidlaleni soyi-2 angithi. Sidlala soyi-2. Yeah. Make me moderator. You probably don't even know how.
Let me try. Maybe I can.
Yo, my phone is gonna bomb, yeah. Hey, mako yazi ukuthi umuntu amakazi ukuthi ngi-live nawe. Yo, bandla. Ulele umuntu wami, guys. Let me let me explain. Brother is asleep, guys. So like I could not tell. He was way asleep before I joined the live. So like I couldn't tell him what I'm going live. And Peanuts' live like literally popped up on my FYP randomly. So I couldn't tell him like I'm going live. So now uzokwata. And then him angakwati, please.
Live. That was my father, Thando. Yo, he will slap you, you know.
GPV. Abafazi phambili. Hey, i-GPV ithathwa serious kule country. Please. Futhi angeke ngingajola nobaba wakho mingithanda. Ngiyadlala Peanuts. Ngiyadlala. Excuse ngiyadlala. Ngiyadlala.
Thando, yo. Oh, subscribers. Okay, yeah. Subscribers.
I'll got a few, 3,000. Yo, guys, 196 people. No, fuck, man.
106. We need 106, yeah.
Hey, Peanut. Oh, yeah, 106. Yo.
Yeah.
I mean, I met him I'm not good, vele. Abona inkinga iqala when there's letters in math. You know, like ifike nini lapho mfethu ngoba imath amanamba mfethu.
So like it is
Nabo Y, nabo Z, nabo bangena phi kwi-math.
pure maths. Pure maths.
I do math labs. Stress is gaga. Yo, I saw the pure math paper
Like
the other day.
I think when Koski Sebana, we have a lot in common. Like I think he was stating facts. Cause I'm
Guys,
also doing
Please go to
consumers.
YouTube, search Mr. Peanuts.
I'm also doing consumers and math lit.
I do consumers tourism business.
Same.
All of them.
Nah. Cat. I do cat consumer math lit.
Don't you do
Yeah.
IT?
Yeah. IT.
Yeah. Ay, Peanuts, awusukuma ngala manamba wakho.
Okay.
Maka namba
No.
yeah, I see
Yeah.
3,000. Sesiyafika
Bayabala manje. Bayabala. Yeah, man.
The Peanuts on YouTube. Please. Let's get this nigga to 3K so that he can stop showing this laptop of his.
Thando, when I reach 100k subs again, I owe you a big one.
You owe me a big one.
Yeah.
No problem. Keep pushing.
Okay, go on, mama.
Panda tsoga o ka tloetsang mo. A tsogeleng. He bana, o batla o lwantsha le motho wa ka jwang? Sa e ga bjao. Ka lwantsha le motho wa ka. $49, $50, $51. Okay. 48 more people, guys. Let's go. Okay, but for the fact that it is 12 a.m. right now and there's 9K people, it's so crazy.
Yeah, it's so crazy. Like,
Oh, go on exercise Saturday. That's probably why you are also up, huh?
yeah. People love to see us together, yo. That's what I noticed.
Uyaqala bakwethu. Uyaqala. Uyaqala.
No, not
Kodwa
like
lapho
that.
uthando isithuka amalapha angithi kodwa
Not,
akusiyo.
not
Ni
like
blame umuntu
that.
wrong bakwethu. Ni blame umuntu wrong.
Not like that, Thando. Yo, like they love to see us like one, like yeah, like one, like yeah. Not in a way, nah. If you get me,
I get you.
yeah.
I'm Mausha Peanuts. It's fine. Sesiyafika bakwethu. Sesiyafika. We are almost there. Yeah, now we must see 3K siyaceda. Angithi
Ane?
54K.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, now it looks weird because 4. 3. Peanuts, uyithole blazer le nickname yakho Peanuts.
Don't worry, I'm gonna tell you the story.
Oh, don't text.
No, like now, like I can even tell you now. Yeah.
I think everybody wants to know.
Yeah.
Must see 3K yasitshela.
Yeah. You guys, like 3K guys.
3 million likes.
3 million likes.
5 more people, guys.
5 more people.
5 more people.
You.
How? Three, two, 1. Clock it. Clock up here. Clock it.
Yeah. Clock that tea.
Babonye phela. Hawu nawe wathula nje. Babonye.
Yeah. So like I got this name on my first day at high school.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah. So like it was an orientation day, but I don't know if you know what's that. Orientation day.
Oh, please, man. I've been to high school. I know what that is.
Yeah. So like grade 9s were submitting their textbooks, and most like if there's new learners, like you will want to bully them or control them, you know. So I was the new learner, and because of my big head, so like they were like, "Hey, Peanuts." I'm like, "Who's Peanuts?" and my friends were like, for Nina, who Peanuts, And then the next day, school opens. I don't know how the name popped up. Like everyone, even the metrics would call me Peanuts. And then that's how I got my name.
I never got one. Like, nobody bullied me in high school, or I never got that orientation.
Really?
Training to say? Yes. Akekho bekangijwayela kanjalo mina mfethu. I was known as the pretty girl with the pretty friends. I was basically the popular hand in school, no cap. I still am. But back then, when I was like wearing school uniform, going to school every day and stuff.
Now you are a online learner, like you do online.
I'm homeschooled now, not online. It's homeschooled. It's basically a school that's a house. It's not like an actual school that's big. There's probably like 40 learners at my school, and it's from grade 1 to grade 12. So imagine like how little we are. and it's mostly like primary school learners. So like the senior phase, we are very very like little, no cap.
So it's nice, babe. It's nice.
It's really nice because I can do whatever I want. Like nails are allowed, makeup is allowed, lashes are allowed, fake hair is allowed. Like I can go to school whatever time I feel like going to school. You know, like ngizithilele nje. Angivuki njengawe every day ngo-5 ekuseni.
I like. I didn't go to school.
Ugeza.
I didn't go to school for 3 days.
Cap, wear that cap then. Wear that cap. How batung. How batung. I can do so if you say it's cap, wear it. Wear that cap, no problem. My real ones, my day ones, no. I ain't seen it to figure man. Go to school, man.
And I'm one of your day ones. I even know the color of your school uniform.
What was the color?
Blue.
Oh. But how? Surely I don't know what's in Koga size bani, ne?
And I think you were wearing like a gray pen, ne?
Ini?
Gray pant back then.
Yeah.
So I'm one of your day ones, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, nice with Peanuts. Oh, Sham. Peanuts is a real fan. He's a supporter, not even a fan.
Like that hug, you see, that hug.
Why the fuck did you do that reaction again?
Because like, it's like I'm dreaming.
You are still dreaming, but when I wake up, when are you waking up from your dream? Oh my gosh, you've been dreaming, James. If you dare to dream with me, you've been dreaming.
Okay.
Wake up.
Yeah.
Wake up.
Wake up, yeah. Wake up, yeah.
Come back to reality.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, here we go again for real. Here we go again for real. Peanuts, mina ngicela ukukushiya. Ngifuna ukuyolala
Why you
mfana.
have manje? Why you have manje?
Ngoba ngifuna ukuyolala.
Like, kuyasaba ulala ngindedwa. Kuyasaba.
Uyabona girlfriend yakhe engazithandi. Usho ukuthi manje ufuna ukwenza. Ufuna ukuthi ngize mina eGqeberha ngizolala nawe.
Thando. Ngithe nguwe. Even my intro says, yasifuna ipeanuts. What's that peanuts? Juice. Everything I say is just jokes.
We are joker, guys. We are joke. Uti, it's just jokes.
Just
Uti,
jokes.
it's just jokes.
Yeah.
Usho kanjalo.
Mara, if
Mina
you
kube
want to
bengiyigirlfriend yakho mina. Ubekudala ngakudampa. Kodwa it's fine.
I'm a huge fan, Maz.
No, but why are you on my dick though?
My followers, my likes, my opinions, but I'm a huge fan. At the end of the day, I'm a huge fan.
Well, thank you, Peanuts. I got to feel like TV face. Oh.
So like, do you really want to leave?
I wanna go sleep. Oh, I was thinking like, because I need to get my beauty sleep. Like, this beauty just doesn't come out of nowhere. So I need to reset so that tomorrow I can come back even more prettier.
Okay. Like, before like we end this live, like when should we when do you think like we should do this again?
I have to tell us at December.
No, like live.
Live.
Yeah.
Let's ask the people.
Okay, yeah.
When
should we be live again, guys?
Yeah. Don't give us short notice now.
When should we be live again, guys? Yo.
Don't give us short notice. Hi guys, we're gonna meet you today. I'm gonna go to US. What's in US in? Aye. Not
Like-
tomorrow, guys. Ugh, man. What was short notice in Gaga?
Like, let's be fair. You told me, yeah. You told me. And you have my numbers, no?
Yeah, I feel like we'll talk though. Like,
Yeah.
you'll tell me if you wanna go live.
Yeah.
Or I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Mina sengizohamba peanuts ngizobona.
Lale kahle.
Mawulale kahle ne. Ungakhohlwa ukuphupha ngami.
No, wena uphupha ngani?
Guys, in the live, have a lovely night, my baby.
Now you Thando is in the chat.
We love you
Thando
guys so much, and we'll see you guys probably, I don't know when, but soon. I'm gonna go get my beauty sleep now because hey man, I do need to get my beauty sleep, hey. But I will see you guys whenever I see you guys. Since usala no peanuts wenu ngoba kudala ngifuna ukuthi ngiphume ngithi ayisala ngiphume ngifuna akhaya, so akhaya uzongena ke kuphumeni.
Akhanya.
Oh, hayi yena loyo bandla kuzophuma mina kugene yena muzi angithi ngifuna yena. Yeah.
She's offline, guys. She's sleeping. Yeah, she's sleeping.
Oh.
Panda is sleeping. Akanya is sleeping.
So what are you trying to do, Peanuts? What are you trying to say exactly?
You see, guys. You see, guys. I was quiet.
Guys, Jalen, if Nyambon, if you've been this live, if you've been in this live ever since I've joined, tell me if Nyambona na Wenza and don't cheat. Nyambona, it's not me, right? You guys see him, right? It's not me, right? I ain't do nothing.
Maratana, what are you leaving? Sure.
Oh, why? You feel safe around me. Don't leave me, Thando. Ngashona mina ngiyigirlfriend yakho commit suicide same time.
I think on that day, like, you couldn't sleep, ne? Like, something was ringing in your hair, bana. Oh, Peanuts, bana.
No. Peanuts. Yeah, no. We younger brother.
Older sister.
Yeah, older sister, younger brother.
Yeah.
Wena ke igrotman lakho Phanda.
Yeah.
Yeah, Grootman. Yeah, yangithola. So ungazodelela igrotman lakho kanjalo.
I respect him since day one.
Makusho wena Peanuts kodwa siyalazi iqiniso in front of these people, these 9,700 people, we all know the truth, right? People, please dare to dream with me. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? You guys know the truth, right? You guys have seen it, right? You guys can see that it is not my fault.
Guys.
At any point.
She wants me. She wants me.
Maybe if you're a bit older, hey? So ufuna ngenze ngichange napkin.
Thando.
Ufuna ngingisi purity. Ufuna ngenze ngikusule isikhama.
Yo, Thando, no, like, no. You see, the way you are swearing at these people, no, help me, please.
No, man. You should stand your ground. You should know. You should let the people know so they mustn't take you for boost.
Yeah.
Because now they're gonna, if you're too nice, like if you don't show like any disrespectful side, they're gonna dry like you, boy. Strong. Man, you got to get big, man. You got to get big. Uba yenze big. Kanjalo nje.
Noted, yeah, noted.
When you are too nice, people play all over your head, and you don't want that. You really don't want that.
Yeah.
Kumele bazi ukuthi okay mingathuka uPeanut ngiyazi for a fact ukuthi naye uzongithuka.
Ziyashuba ke manje, ziyabheda.
Angisho ukuthi uthukane nawe ngoba usasemncane. Askies. Because it's my first time meeting someone younger than me. Oh my gosh. Like, you're making me feel old, but when you are younger, you're like, I've always been the younger one. So now I have somebody to pick on, and that's you. Like, oh my gosh, you are younger than me.
I think
I thought I was young.
I think you're 1 year older than me.
I won't I am older. Uti, you are 2 months, 3 months, it doesn't matter. I am older, you know?
But at the end of the day, age doesn't matter, eh?
Nyambona uyaqala futhi, nyambona.
Just jokes.
Nyambona, qeda lapho uzothi it's just jokes. Nyambona.
Just jokes.
La mobona na. Kopa le ntwitseng gore la mobona. Mo boneng. Ashu motho o le protectang, ashu.
See? That true Peanuts, yeah. Qiniso, yeah. Qiniso or qiniso?
Iqiniso.
Qiniso.
Yeah. Yeah, good. As long as you guys see, I feel like, please.
Mara na ka go mo fitla wa tsana le nka jola bo serious e leng ka se mmone le lona le dimpiano